Welcome guys, in this video, we will see how to install Python in your Windows operating system. Before we started, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. Windows doesn't come with Python installed in it, so you'll need to download and install it. First open any web browser and type Python in the search box. The first link comes up is the www.python.org. Open this link. This is official website of Python. Click on download button and download the latest version of Python, which is 3.10 in my case. After download is complete, run the file. Now, simply click on Install Now, and also mark the checkbox of Add Python to Path. It is start installing. It takes few seconds to complete the installation. A few things about installation. Python comes with inbuilt integrated development environment for Python, which is called idle and short. Pip also comes with it. It is the package installer for Python. These both are very useful in programming. After installing is complete, let's check if Python is properly installed or not. Open Command Terminal and type Python, then press Enter. This should look like this. It is Python terminal. Now run a simple program in terminal, which prints, "Hello Nucleux," on screen. If you have successfully followed till now, congratulations! You have successfully installed Python on your Windows PC. Other hand, if you faced any problem, try to reinstall the Python. That's all I got for this video. I hope this video assists you. If it helps you, hit the like button and comment down if you have any problem. See you in the next video.